Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing episode, I believe it's episode 8 now. I'm pretty sure it's episode 8 of the castle. I'm just going to be adding more stone to the castle. That's pretty much how the castle's going. You get stone, you put stone on top of stone, you do it enough times, and eventually you have a pile of stones. And then you get a pile of stones, and you put a pile of stones on top of a pile of stones, and then you get a castle. That's the plan anyway. So I'm going to put some music in the background. I'm going to move some rocks. It's ridiculously hot out here. I was looking across the stones and there was literal heat waves coming off of the rocks. That's how hot it is. The sand's dried out even though the ocean was just over it a few hours ago. It's dry sand with heat waves and it's absolutely cooking. But I have a cool robe. It keeps me nice and cool, and a nice little hat. So that should help a lot. Helps a lot actually. Didn't get too hot thanks to the little hat and the cool little robe thing. Anyway, enjoy. Goodbye.
I will move every stone in the valley below. Push the earth till it grows to the way I grow. The dust will rise, the winds will scream. This is no small town, play a dream. Hands are up, but they won't quit. Hearts on fire, I can't sit. Move every stone until the mountain has moved. Break every chain till the sky turns smooth. No wall too high, no road too steep. I'll wake the world from its deepest sleep. Every move, every step lines a map to my fight. Every shadow I chase fades under my light. I've heard whispers, doubts that linger, but they can't silence my iron fingers. I'm the thunder in the quiet air, the spark when no one dares. A tidal wave, a breaking tide. I'll move this mountain from inside. Move every stone until the mountain has moved. Break every chain till the sky turns smooth. No wall too high, no road too steep. I'll wake the world from its deepest sleep. Every crack, every fall finds a map to my fight. Every shadow I chase fades under my light. I've heard whispers, doubts that linger, but they can't silence my iron fingers. I'm the thunder in the quiet air, the spark when no one dares. A tidal wave, a breaking tide. I'll move this mountain from inside. Move every stone until the mountain has moved. Break every chain till the sky turns smooth. No wall too high, no road too steep. I'll wake the world from its deepest sleep.
I stand on a sturdy rock alone in the storm. Sea foam crashing, screaming its form. Salt on my lips, taste of time. What's yours ain't mine, ain't mine. I stand in the way, filled in keys, number 3. Unlocking doors where no one can see. Staff of crystal rings so blue. I am made of all that's old and new. Secrets whisper deep in the gale. Tides rise and fall with a shadow tail. Feet planting roots, dug deep. Dreams I carry, no time till we end in the waves. Building keys, number 3. Unlocking doors where spoken in the tongue of stars. The answers burn but leave no scars. Ancient voices scream and sing. I hold the weight of everything. I stand in the way, building keys, number 3. Unlocking doors where no one can see. Staff of crystal ring so blue. I am made of all that's old and new. A riddle spoken in the tongue of stars. The answers burn, but leave no